Want to make your personal computer into a console-like gaming machine in 2026? Here today, we are going to review three Linux distributions that are regarded as the best SteamOS alternatives, namely Bazzite, ChimeraOS, and HoloISO. The most popular among the three right now is the Bazzite, which runs on Fedora Atomic. This distribution supports the widest range of hardware possible, which includes great NVIDIA driver support, as well as support for most handhelds such as the Asus ROG Ally and Lenovo Legion Go. Thanks to its immutable system feature, it is highly reliable and is immune to user mistakes, and it is ideal for gamers looking for a console-like set it and forget experience. Unlike other solutions, Chimera OS goes for console appliance type of experience. The operating system is based on Arch Linux and aims to turn your regular PC into Steam machine for a living room setting. It does an excellent job of being user-friendly as it lets you turn on your PC and get into Steam Big Picture mode without any need for configuration. One of the unique features of Chimera OS is its web-based dashboard to handle non-Steam games like GOG or Epic. Although it is great for home theater, it is not easy to use in case you want to make your gaming PC a regular workstation. HoloISO was once one of the most popular alternatives to SteamOS, but today it has become mostly obsolete, having been surpassed by more advanced options. In Linux circles, many people perceive it as a frozen product as it suffers from severe issues with kernel updates and driver management when compared to other operating systems that features automatic builds. HoloISO can be considered only when you need to run a certain piece of legacy hardware not supported by other distributions anymore. So, which one should you choose? In case you're interested in getting the most contemporary and feature-packed solution for your phone and your PC, especially if your computer comes equipped with an NVIDIA graphics card, Bazzite is definitely the one to choose. Should you be seeking a streamlined approach for your TV, which would come with a special web manager, then Chimera OS is definitely worth considering. As far as Holo ISO goes, it only serves as a reference point in the history of the genre. Feel free to test them all and tell us in the comments which Linux gaming distribution you use. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button as well.